A. In a forgotten village, birds no longer sang. Instead, they circled the sky, their cries echoing like a mournful dirge. The villagers whispered of a curse, but the truth was more terrifying. Climate change had twisted their migratory paths, leading them to a place where the sun never set. As the days stretched into endless twilight, the birds began to change. Feathers fell away, revealing skin that shimmered like oil. Their eyes, once bright, turned hollow and black. One night, they descended, not to rest, but to consume. The villagers, trapped in their eternal dusk, could only watch as the birds feasted on their dreams, leaving behind only shadows. And as the last light faded, a chilling realization dawned. They were the next to change. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that haunt your nights.